Hello friends and welcome to my video where I try to finish series I started quite a while ago, and this year I totally promised myself to finish it. We have 3 more cards and today card is Birth of Paradise. Self-acceptance. You are so much more. Oh my god, I think I love this message the most. You are so much more. I love it. So, we have one fantastic flower. So different, it seems like it's totally like, I don't know. First we will use this green. And this green is behind this flower here. Then it's here one other leaf. Very dramatic plant and so much color in it. It has orange and yellow and blue and red and so different from the others. Then I want to add a bit of lighter green here and in this part. Sometimes I more like to smudge with fingers than with paper or anything else. Then we will use dark blue and we will use it here and here. Then this part is also blue and all this part. Now we need bright yellow and orange. So orange part I will put here. And here, and yellow part here. Like this. Then I want to use light green here. Then bright yellow on the end here and on this part and this and this and also this. Then here is orange again. And here is orange also. Then this part has some blue. Like this and this. And this part is also blue, like behind this. And then I want to use, even it is not light blue, but I want to use it like this, maybe also here and here, and then it is red, and this red goes here and here and here, like this. This flower is so unusual, it's so blue. Listen to me, what I'm talking about. So unusual, it's so beautiful. So now I want to smudge everything like here, and then this down part and this, and also this and this. So crazy flower. Some more yellow. Now I want a white, and of course we need to clean this white, so I want to show here among this. And then a little bit black. And now we are smudging here, but very gently. Not press too much. Now again, press deep this yellow, and maybe also here. Because this flower is so full of happy colors. And I think this is our birds of paradise. And I want to add a little tiny leaf here, like it is far away but still visible, just for the balance. Oh my God, don't you hate that this is happening? And one maybe here. And now our bird of paradise is finished, and I think it's crazy. I will sign it. and we will spritz it to protect our work. See you tomorrow. Bye.